Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box, and now you can type in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, and this will then take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then just click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Then you have the option to either use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Simply enter your credentials followed by your billing information. Once you complete the transaction through the Continue button, the game will be added to your library, after which you can complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.